Some local patients dealing with chronic pain have found relief by stinging themselves with bees. Yes, now a pharmaceutical company is taking notice of that, starting a clinical trial right here in LA. CBS2's Lisa Sigell has a story you'll only see on CBS2.
The medical industry is finally catching up.
Rich Hereford of Costa Mesa is a beekeeper. He employs his bees to make honey, pollinate almond crops, and for this.
Come on, sting me. Go for it.
It's bee sting therapy for
Do
pain.
you give kisses? The big thing in my life was stay away from those bees.
But now, 71-year-old Pat Henry of Yucaipa calls them
Miracle creatures.
Pat has multiple sclerosis. For the past 16 years, this has been her only treatment. Every other day, 2 bee stings to the back of her neck.
From here, it goes to the hands.
And 4 bee stings above her knees and below them.
In a couple of hours, joint soreness goes away.
Her caretaker, Chet, stings himself too.
My hands were so bad with arthritis, and I don't have that anymore.
It is actually an ancient folk remedy using bee venom for pain, but now it may be going mainstream.
Have you bent your knee?
In fact, your own doctor might even prescribe it. At Access Clinical Trials in LA,
We're testing honey bee venom.
for arthritis, but without any bees. This syringe is filled with standardized, purified venom in a vial. Its name for now, Apomed.
We were contracted by a pharmaceutical company which is based in Korea. They decided that they wanted this product marketed in the United States.
But for the FDA to approve any new medication, it has to be proven safe and effective. In this Apomed trial,
We inject it locally in the knees of patients that are affected with osteoarthritis.
and monitor them for months
Okay, 1 to 10.
to see if the pain gets any better. As for why it might work,
Nobody is really sure on exactly the mechanism of the honeybee venom, but it seems to be an affinity to the inflammation, that it gobbles up the inflammation.
Pat says it's about time doctors catch on. She believes that because of the bees,
I'm independent. I clean my own house. I wake up every morning and say, okay, made it one more day.
now the bees didn't prevent Pat's MS from weakening her legs.
But I can carry on with my life, and there are no side effects, and hopefully I can live to be 100 years old.
Beekeepers like Rich never make any promises, but
Many people across the country do it every day. When conventional medicine fails to help them, sometimes bee sting therapy is the only thing left.
I'm Lisa Sigell, CBS 2 News.
Dr. Hazen warns that in people who are allergic, a bee sting can be deadly. So it's important to be tested by your doctor before trying any type of bee venom therapy. And to learn more about participating in the clinical trial or about the history of bee stings for pain, check out CBSLA.com and click on Seen on TV.